My dream for the cube is that it would bring joy and inspiration to everyone who ever uses it. Whoever plays with it, solves it, works on a team to solve it. And if it does that, then there is nothing that I would rather leave behind at the University of Michigan.
It just looks so much more vibrant than we ever thought, and we're really happy with it.
Yeah, so there's actually 26 cubes, 27 if you include the core, the very center of the Rubik's Cube. The entire cube itself weighs about 1,500 pounds. It's the largest solvable mechanical stationary Rubik's Cubes. So the general concept of it is to be a mechanical art piece, so interactive mechanical art piece. So this is the final destination for the giant Rubik's Cube, and it's going to be here for hopefully a long time. It's a lot longer to be able to solve this cube because with a normal Rubik's Cube, there's a lot of muscle memory and you can move really quickly because it's small friction and you have a lot of force. For this cube, every move is deliberate, so you have to grab onto a face and rotate it completely and then remember what you just did instead of doing a series of algorithms. So it's hard to keep track in your mind what moves you've already done as well as what moves more you have to do.